Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today we are going to learn about the story sequence. The lion was sleeping. A mouse was running over the lion's back. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. The mouse said, "Please don't eat me. I promise to repay you." The lion laughed, then let the mouse go. One day, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared for help. The mouse came up to help. The lion thanked the mouse. They became best friends. Thank you, friends. See you in the next lesson.